Light. There's Sable. And there's Midna on the table. She's such a punk. Get down. Here's the sound of the outside. I have to take off my socks. Oh. Okay. You ready? It's scary. Bum, bum, bum. There's all our furniture strewn about, and there's the fence. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at all this water. Oh, this is crazy. I wonder how it looks in the front yard. I haven't even seen the front yard yet. And the trampoline. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Ugh. Our gate is still intact. Yeah, Midna, you better get off that table. My screen is wet. Hi, Sable. You don't want to go outside, do you? That Christmas tree over there, it wasn't there before. It was like way more down the road. And okay, I'm going in. Wow, big thing of water. Ow, my feet, they hurt. You know, I must look like a lunatic out here. There's the Christmas tree that was actually like over there. And there's a thing that fell over. I don't see much else. Oh my gosh, I'm really cold. Look back. Is this still recording? Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Sable. Look how wet my hair got. Alright guys. Well, be safe and don't drive today because you'll kill yourself. I'll see you later.